Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be using Adams Polishes Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This is not a new product. It's been out for a while. I've used it with other vehicles, but this is going to be the worst cloth interior I've ever used it on. It's my mother-in-law's 2018 Chevrolet Trax. I did another video with Turtle Wax's new foaming spot remover that it knocked them down quite a bit, but they're pretty baked in there. That's where a baby seat was, and as we know, little kids are not friendly to car interiors. So it says that Adams Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is amazingly effective at removing spots, stains, and dirt. Simply incredible on carpets and cloth interiors. No funky smells, and this stuff does have very little smell to it, so you don't get the overpowering shampoo smell when you use this. Compared to others, unless you like that. It says excellent around the house too, and we have used this around some spots in the house, like carpets and stuff like that. So anyhow, let's give it a, we're gonna pre-treat it with this. We got all these stains from the baby seat right here. The back seat's not too bad, it's just that the part we sit on, so it looks the worst. So I'm gonna pre-treat it with this. So I got my little green machine here to extract it, because you see, we get a little foam out of this. But these, actually, this might be pulling that one stand a little better than what the Turtle Wax stuff did. Of course, we know you spill stuff on cloth seats, the sooner you act on it, the less likely you are to have a stain. Well, car interiors doesn't always work like that, especially with my in-laws. so anyhow, I've pre-treated it. This one stain here, actually, just giving the scrub there knocked it down quite a bit. So I use I've got like 4 ounces of the Adams Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, and we've got that carpet upholstery cleaner mixed into the clean tank on the Bissell little green machine here. We're going to give it a go and see what we can pull out of this thing. So sorry for the noise. This thing does make some noise. So let's take a look. Well, I think it has muted it some. Whether it took it out or not, I don't know. I have to let it dry out, and I'll come back later to see how it turned out. Sometimes with cloth seats, you got to give it a chance. All right, here's an update on our Adams Carpet Upholstery Cleaner on this really nasty back seat. Looks like knocked down the stainage some more. They're still in there. I'm probably gonna hit it again. I'm not sure whether I'm going to add some APC maybe to this, or maybe pair this with that Turtle Wax spot remover. So I mean, it knocked it down quite a bit, but this is probably the most stained cloth I have messed with in a while. So this, I think this is the furthest I can get with this product on its own. So thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, like and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks for watching.